Can I have a dessert that you love? It's called Love Dessert, so I'll have a dessert that you love.
Okay. Love dessert.
Yeah. Can I have a dessert that you would pick?
You too.
Hiya, can I have a dessert that matches your shop's name, so Love Dessert? So can I have a dessert that you would...
Love desserts. Waffle, cookie dough.
Can I have a dessert that you would pick?
Oh.
Yeah, one that you
Our
love.
famous is like this one. Love dessert cookie dough. Love dessert waffle. Thus, you can say that's as a signature one.
Okay.
So these are the two or the shakes if you want to try.
Your choice.
I don't know what you like.
Like anything. Love Dessert, so what would you pick?
So I'll maybe like this one. Is that fine? This one?
Yep, it's fine.
Love dessert waffle, yeah?
Yeah.
You want it as a waffle or crab?
Pardon?
Waffle or crab?
Your choice. Best customer award goes to...
Customer of the year. There you go. Okay. Do you want to receive?
no, I'm alright.
So that's going to dine in or take away?
Take away.
Take away, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll bring it to you.